Hello. In this training session, we will cover how to install the Fieldwork Office app on an iOS device. I'm using an iPhone, but an iPad or a mini pad, anything like that will be the same thing. Step one will be to find your App Store icon, this blue one with the letter A in it. So I'm going to click the App Store, and then we're going to bring up in the lower right hand corner is the search. We'll click that, bring up our search options here, and then I'm just going to type in here Field Work Office. And you can see it found it, so we'll click on that and it will bring us up our options here. So this is the Fieldwork Office app, green square, white circle, green letter F. In this case, on my phone, I have already downloaded this previously, hence the cloud. In your case, for the very first time, that will say get. So you don't get confused. Don't download the Fieldwork Mobile. That's not the app that you want. You want the Fieldwork Office. So I'm going to click the cloud, in your case, get, and in my case, it's starting the download process. When you press get, it may actually take you to another screen where one more time you'll just basically have to confirm the download. Once the download is completed, I'm going to double click my home button, get my app out of the way, and there is the Fieldwork icon now on the desktop. Thank you.